This I swear into the starlit sky, my love for you will stay forevermore, forevermore. So hold on to this hand of mine, and I promise you I'll never let go. Days just keep on passing by, and you are always on my mind. Naturally, baby, you're the only one. Together we face what's ahead, unafraid of anything, and that's because you're here with me. To look onto those strong eyes, I wish time would stop and leave us here in this embrace. I can see 1,000 lights shining brightly from the sky onto your smiling face, and then you'll see eternal love. That's what this is, this feeling that I just cannot resist. So hold on to this hand of mine, and I promise you I'll never let go. The day we first met, the day we first kissed, I still remember everything about us, babe. Until the day when you said yes. These are the moments I am sure to cherish for all time. Your lips are so sweet, can feel my heartbeat. I still remember everything about us, babe. And after all this time, I'm thankful to the stars that I have found you. When I think about it now, I was probably too blessed to be forever